All right, so here are some pre-discussion questions, and you're going to see a variety of types of prompts, but have sort of like the same focus. What is your intended major or field? How did your interest in the major or field develop? Describe your experiences in the major or field, and then what have you gained as a result of your involvement in the major or field. So when admissions officers and department chairs and department faculty read your personal statement, they are looking to see just how interested you really are in this field, because they want to measure it based upon your participation. What have you done? Have you done any sort of internships, volunteer work? Do you write within your field as a student writer? um, and anything, what have you learned to date based upon your involvement? So you're going to see these questions here sort of rehashed in a different format, but it basically has the same focus. What is your intended major? Why are you interested? What have you done to date? What have you learned?